Did you know there's a sneaky hack you can use to make ChatGPT your default search engine in your browser? When you search in your URL bar here, pizza restaurants in Truro, for example, it actually goes straight and searches ChatGPT rather than Google or Bing or whatever you usually use. That's pretty cool if you're fed up of normal search engines and want to access LLMs for your research on tap. Now, if you go into your settings of your web browser and scroll down the bottom here, you'll open up a window something like this. You'll find this little tab on the left called search engines. And by default, it might be set to like Google or Bing or whatever you've been using for the last however many years. Now you can actually manage these settings and you'll find the preferred search engines that your browser will allow you to use. Here you can see Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia are the only options. But you can actually add ChatGPT into this list. If you go to your add-on store, your Chrome web store, for example, or equivalent for your browser, and find ChatGPT search add-on, add that to Chrome, add the extension and install it. When you go back to your settings here, you'll actually see, I didn't even need to refresh this, you'll actually see ChatGPT is automatically set as your default search engine. ChatGPT is controlling this setting, so it's been added on there. So now when you go back and search in your URL bar from wherever, for example, we could say best microphone for YouTube, do that search. It's going to straight away start searching Chat GPT rather than our usual search of having to click through Google Blue links. And you can see it's gone away and done the research. And actually, it doesn't just use its internal training, it automatically invokes search mode. Check out this video that I did, 471% more efficient with these 9 AI tools. And it doesn't include Chat GPT.